ipalamente iziphendulele ityhora uZondo ngokutsibilitye likaphungela.
It is not the place of the Chief Justice to make such public remarks unless and until he is required to adjudicate on a matter with impartiality.
Ujaji Zondo uyagabadela kaloku sililizwe elinomgaqo siseko ocalucalulayo into yoba icandelo ngalinye limele ukwenza ntoni na. Thina siyindlu yowisomthetho naye asimxelele uba makenze ntoni ngamatyala ezinkundleni.
Nakuba kunjalo amanye amaqela aphikisayo amkhusele uZondo.
We could not agree with him more. We have long been calling for Parliament to implement the recommendations that are contained in the State Capture Report.
Chief Justice Zondo is correct when he says that Parliament is still failing to do effective oversight over the executive and to prevent a repetition of state capture.
There is no action from Parliament to implement the Zondo Commission recommendations because the former president, Jacob Zuma, the sitting president, Cyril Ramaphosa, senior cabinet ministers and deputy ministers are fingered and implicated in the report.
They've shown this when they blocked the inquiry into corruption at ESCOM. They've shown this when they blocked the inquiry into the criminal activities of money laundering that happened in relation to Phala Phala Farm on the basis that there's a judicial process underway.
I don't think it is out of order that the Chief Justice who headed this commission could express his view in terms of the matter not proceeding as swiftly as he or the commission would have expected.
Dinglula Mama Kyawendaba ze SABC eParlamente eKapa.